embodiment of grace and power. That's what a woman is. Look at her and examine her, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. She has a womb that is not only for conceiving a baby, but also for conceiving ideas. She has senses that are not only sharp for physical sensations, but also exceptional for emotional intelligence. She has a mind that does not only remember what has happened, but also prepares for what will happen. She has a strength that does not only withstand pain and adversity, but also carries will and progress. She has a body that does not only emanate beauty, but also epitomizes love. A woman. How much can you value her, and how much can you pay for her worth? She can move on. She can endure. She can conserve, preserve, and reserve, and for sure deserve all that she has been made and created for. Read next 20 great quotes about women. You can watch this program on YouTube. If you found value in this post, kindly share it with others. Thanks for your support. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at soapiansofgod@gmail.com, and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.get books on Amazon. Amazon Books, check out our website. Wordflix X Publishers if you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony. I Say Music Got You. Contact soapiansofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Women are precious. 2. How women and men communicate. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. The energy we carry, how to cultivate positive vibes and transform your life. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.